Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, you learn about the application of the Part Design Subtractive Primitive Loft tool. You also learn the steps to create Subtractive Loft and the several ways to invoke this tool. This is Part Design Primitive tool called Subtractive Loft. Subtractive Loft creates a subtractive solid in the active body by making a transition between two or more sketches. Its shape is then subtracted from the existing solid. In this picture, you see how to subtract a solid part from the active body with help of a Subtractive Primitive Loft tool. For this example, you need to have two sketches. Here you find the several ways to invoke the Subtractive Loft tool and the steps to create subtractive primitives. First, select one or more sketches. Then, press the Subtractive Loft button or Loft option from Part Design menu. Set Options if needed and then press OK to close the step. On this slide, you find the steps to create Subtractive Primitives Loft tool. First, you should have active 3D solid body. Sketch two or more closed sections. Then, press the Subtractive Loft button or Loft option from Part Design menu. The next step is selecting a sketch to be used as base profile in the dialog window. Then, press OK. Now you can add the other sketches in the order you want. You can also set options like ruled surface or closed if needed. It is recommended that all cross-sections have the same number of segments. For example, for a loft between a rectangle and a circle, the circle should be broken down into 4 connected arcs. You can activate these options if it is needed. Ruled surface makes straight transitions between cross-sections. Does not apply to a loft with 2 cross-sections. The closed option makes a transition from the last cross-section to the first cross-section. In this example, I will show you the steps to create a simple subtractive loft solid part. Create two sketches on 2 different planes. Press Subtractive Loft tool. Select the base profile sketch and then press OK. Now press Add Section from Loft Parameter dialog and add the other sketch 3D or from the tree. Then, press OK. This is the result. In the next example, I will show you how to use the Subtractive Loft tool with 3 different sketches with the same center point. First, I will create the active body or solid part. Fillet the corners. Create the first sketch. For the second sketch, we need to create a new plane between lower and upper plane. $40mm higher from the first sketch. Select this plane and sketch on it. Activate View Section tool. Sketch the third cross-section on the top surface or plane. Now, we have 3 sketches with different shapes. Select the first sketch and then the Subtractive Loft tool. Now press Add Section from the Loft Parameter dialog and add the other sketches in the order you want. Then press OK. Now I will show you how looks like the result when we apply the Subtractive Loft options. The first option is Ruled Surface. All edges are visible. In this case, we will not have a smooth transition. The next option is Closed. In this case, the transition is only from the last cross-section to the first cross-section. The sections in between are ignored. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more FreeCAD tutorials. In the next example, I will show you how to use the Subtractive Loft tool with 3 different sketches with different center point and sizes. The way how to create the sketches is similar to the second example. Now we select all sections and after that the Subtractive Loft tool. The result is the same. That is for today about the application of the Part Design Subtractive Loft tool in FreeCAD. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.